We have now learned that disgraced Hampton County Attorney Alec Murdaugh has in fact been charged with the 2021 deaths of his wife and his youngest son.
There's a lot to unpack, I should say, with this story. J.R. Berry joins us now with more on these new charges. J.R.
Ladies, this all comes after Murdaugh was recently disbarred due to a number of financial crime charges against him. He was indicted today by a Colleton County grand jury following months of investigation by SLED. The former lawyer originally reported that he found his 52-year-old wife and 22-year-old son shot multiple times on their Hunting Lodge property near the border of Hampton and Colleton counties. Murdaugh will have a bond hearing on those murder charges next week. He's already being held at the Richland County Jail on several other charges. Now, his lawyers released a statement shortly after the indictments were handed down today. Dick Harpootlian of Columbia, along with Jim Griffin, saying that Alec wants his family and friends and everyone to know that he did not have anything to do with the deaths of Maggie and Paul, adding that he loved them more than anything in the world. The shooting deaths of his wife and son only part of the Murdaugh story. His life was turned upside down after a 2019 boating accident involving his son Paul. The Murdaugh's youngest son was charged with boating under the influence, resulting in death, and 2 counts of boating under the influence resulting in bodily injury. A lawsuit filed by the family of Mallory Beach, a teen who was found dead after that boating accident, was later amended to include Alex Murdaugh and his oldest son. Now, in June of last year, Murdaugh called 911 telling authorities that he found the bodies of his wife and his son on his Hampton County property. The two had been shot to death. That's the 2 murder charges he's now facing. Not long after their deaths, Murdaugh told authorities he was shot in Hampton County on his way to Charleston. However, authorities say that's not true. Instead, they say Murdaugh hired a man by the name of Curtis Smith to kill him. Smith was charged last September. SLED says Murdaugh admitted to planning the shooting so his other son could collect life insurance money. Murdaugh's law firm alleged that Murdaugh misappropriated money, which led to the end of his tenure at that law firm. He was then suspended from the practice of law and was disbarred earlier this week. And then there is the case of the former housekeeper. It is believed that Gloria Satterfield died from injuries sustained in a fall at the Murdaugh home in 2018. However, authorities now have some questions about that case. Murdaugh's bond hearing in these latest charges is set for next Wednesday, 10 o'clock in the morning at the Colleton County Courthouse. For more details, you can read more about this story on our website, WLTX.com, and the News 19 mobile app.